So remember this, although this is very general thing, this is not something very specific to legal, but this is something that you have to learn, giving 4-5 minutes in the early hours, right? To ask a paper, my first 5 minutes, if you sit and figure out how much are you comfortable with paper, how much you're comfortable with your otherwise plan, right? You all would have already made plans. Ki I will attempt legal first, GK second, quant is something I am strong at, so in last minute also I can do it, so I will keep it at end. You must have made plans. It's always good to have plans, but it's not good to stick to plans, or it's not good to make yourself very cozy with that plan, right? If this exam requires you to change your plan, you should be able to do that in the first 4 minutes. And I will tell you, it will not only help you in saving time, 10-15 minutes that I was telling you, right, later in the exam, but it will also make you confident. So this 5 minutes glance thing, I would want from this mock itself, right? At least my premium club students should be able to do this. 4-5 minutes, don't step into paper, right? Understand whether, see, you are giving Abhyaas mocks again and again. Maybe you may feel like, "Arey yaar, har baar to ek hi jaisa aata hai." But we don't know what will come on the end. So first thing is to glance the paper and tell yourself how much comfortable you are. If you're panicking too much, then take a second and frame as to what is difficult, what is that section that is making you uncomfortable and everything, and accordingly plan what sections to do. Right? Definitely have a plan A, but there should be plan B that you will make in first 4 minutes.